Well, when the Air Force Academy approached us about building them, helping to build a solar array for them, they knew that as a utility provider that we could provide and we could produce on time and on schedule as we've discussed in the past. And so the relationship with the Air Force Academy has been ongoing and actually been getting stronger as this project continues.
With the Air Force Academy project, we are actually not getting any renewable credit on this, but it is a tremendous partnership that we want to model and use in other places to be able to promote renewable energy where it's responsible and very workable.
Colonel LoCastro is a great partner. He has a lot of passion. He has been amazing as we've been working together on several projects, but really the latest focus has been the solar project that we're building together.
Well, we've always worked closely with Colorado Springs Utility. I mean, they're right outside of our gate and they provide an incredible service to us here at the Academy. So to work together on this initiative wasn't the most difficult thing because we already had that kind of relationship with Colorado Springs Utility.
Historically, we just provided energy up to a certain point at the Air Force Academy, and then they provided all the utility service on their own site. And so as we move in the future, we're replacing all their infrastructure, as I mentioned. We're really going in and replacing all their electric infrastructure, their gas infrastructure, and eventually we're going to be taking that over and making sure that the Air Force Academy focuses on what's important to them. They don't want to be in the utility business. They want us to be in the utility business. That's what we do.
Every single base is basically a mini or a very large city, so that doesn't change regardless of what mission you have. And the Air Force Academy, we're leading the way, and we've partnered with CSU to do it. And a lot of exciting projects are on the books right now because of that.
Well, I think the Air Force Academy has a pretty aggressive plan to be zero energy users in the next few years. I think it's pretty challenging to meet that goal, but the solar array is certainly a good opportunity to take a step towards that goal.
I think it is an aggressive goal that the Academy has set to be net zero by 2015, but I also think that it's a goal that we need to shoot for. We need to target towards, and I'm very, very proud that we can partner with them to help them achieve that goal.
We were always focused on energy, but not to the level that we are today. So I think we're growing together. Certainly, we won't put Colorado Springs Utility out of business, and they won't put the Air Force out of business, but together we're going to grow in the way of energy, and that momentum's building already.
We looked at what was being proposed in different locations, what ability we had for growth and those kind of things. And the solar array really worked out where it was because of some of the infrastructure that was being already put in place and minimizing the cost to the taxpayer of what they would have to pay to connect the solar array to the system.
Anytime you're dealing with a project as complex as this, there's a high degree of trust. We have to trust each other's expertise. We have to trust in each other's experience. We have to trust in each other's intentions, and all that brought together. And when you combine it with all the expertise of the Air Force Academy, we have the great combination for a real win.